Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet this very pretty stitch pattern. Now as a beginner, one can easily work this stitch pattern as it involves basic crochet stitches like chain stitches, double crochet and triple crochet. Also, since we have lots of open spaces in this stitch pattern, so one can use this to make crochet projects, especially shawls and scarves. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. Now for working the sample stitch pattern, I'll be using the woolen yarn in off-white color and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Now in case if you want to work this stitch pattern using cotton yarn, then you can reduce the hook size to 3 mm. This stitch pattern is a multiple of 7. So for this sample, I'll be working about 42 chains. So start with a slip knot. And chain 42. So I worked 42 chains. Now work one more chain. Now having in total 43 chains, skip the first 2 chains from the hook and going into the third chain, work 1 double crochet. The first 2 chains that I have initially skipped makes the first double crochet. So the sequence of this round is to work 1 double crochet per chain. So continue working like this till you have reached the last chain. So here I am done with the first round of double crochet and including the 2 chains that I initially skipped. In all, I have worked 42 double crochets. Now let's start with the stitch pattern round. Work 6 chains. Now this 6 chains will be considered as a triple crochet plus 2 chains. Now turn your work. And going back into the very first stitch, we'll be working a triple crochet. So for that, yarn over twice. Work a triple crochet. Now work 2 chains. Again yarn over twice and going back into the same space, work a triple crochet. Followed by 2 chains. Going back into the same space, work one more triple crochet. So here I have worked 4 triple crochet separated by 3 chain 2 spaces. So this makes the first set of 4 triple crochet. Now skip the next 6 stitches and going into the 7th stitch, work a triple crochet. Followed by 2 chains. So we'll be again working a group of 4 triple crochets separated by 3 chain 2 spaces. So here I am done with 4 triple crochets. Now we'll be skipping the next 6 stitches and going into the 7th stitch. Again repeat the same pattern. So this is the sequence that will be following for the entire round. So just continue with this. So here I have almost come towards the end of the second round by working 4 triple crochets. And in between I have skipped 6 stitches. Now in order to end this round, skip all the remaining stitches and going into the second chain, work a slip stitch. So that completes the first round. Now for the second round, work one chain and turn your work. Now going into the first chain 2 space between the triple crochets, work a slip stitch. Now into this space, we'll be working the first group of 4 triple crochets. So for that, work 6 chains. And these 6 chains will count as a triple crochet followed by 2 chains. Now run over twice and going back into the same space, work a triple crochet plus 2 chains. Again yarn over twice, into the same space, work one more triple crochet followed by 2 chains. Yarn over twice and into the same space, work the 4th triple crochet. So here I have worked a group of 4 triple crochets separated by 3 chain 2 spaces. Now I will be skipping the next 2 chain 2 spaces and moving to the next group of 4 triple crochets. Into the first chain 2 space, we will be repeating the same sequence. That is, we will be working a group of 4 triple crochets. So here I worked the second group. Now the pattern repeats, that is, you will be skipping the next 2 chain 2 spaces and you will be working a group of 4 triple crochets into the third chain 2 space. So just continue working like this till you reach the end of the round. So here I almost come towards the end of the third round. Now in order to end the round, now if you remember at the start of the second round, we had worked a chain 6. So we need to slip stitch into the 4th chain. So that completes the third round. Now for the 4th round, work one chain and turn your work. And going into the first chain 2 space, work one slip stitch. Now work 6 chains. And this will be a triple crochet followed by 2 chains. And going back into the same space, we will be working a group of 4 triple crochets separated by 3 chain 2 spaces. Now skip the next 2 chain 2 spaces and into the third chain 2 space, repeat the sequence. So this round is just a repeat of round 3. So continue with this pattern till the end of the round. So here I have done with the 4th round, and to end the round I have slip stitched into the 4th chain out of those 6 chains initially worked. Now I hope this stitch pattern is very much clear to you. It's a very easy stitch pattern to follow as it involves just a repetition of one row for n number of times till you reach the desired length of your project. So I'll just repeat the round 4 for 2 more times and get back. So here I have worked a few more rows so that the stitch pattern becomes clearly visible. Now as I mentioned earlier, this stitch pattern is very easy to follow, quick to crochet, especially for beginners. So just remember one thing, no matter how many chains you work initially, see to that it's a multiple of 7, and the double crochets that you work for the first round should also be multiple of 7. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.